Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study for engineering semester exams in one day. First, immediately collect all your lecture notes, textbooks, and past papers. Next, pinpoint the core concepts and high-weightage topics that are most likely to appear on the exam. You'll need to be strategic with your time, perhaps dedicating 2 to 3 hours per major subject area. This focused approach ensures you cover the absolute essentials. Now, let's prioritize. Instead of trying to relearn everything, concentrate on understanding the fundamental principles that underpin most problems. Work through at least 5 to 10 solved examples for each major topic to solidify your comprehension. As you go, compile a quick reference sheet with essential formulas, constants, and definitions. This will be your go-to resource for rapid review and recall. Active recall is key for retention. Don't just passively read. Actively test yourself by attempting practice problems without looking at solutions first. Try explaining complex concepts out loud as if you're teaching someone else. This method helps identify gaps in your knowledge quickly. If you find a weak spot, dedicate an extra 30 to 60 minutes to review that specific area before moving on. As the day progresses, remember to take short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to prevent burnout. Before the exam, ensure you get a minimum of 6 to 7 hours of quality sleep. It's crucial for cognitive function. On exam day, arrive early, take a few deep breaths, and trust in your focused preparation. A calm and confident mindset can significantly improve your performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.